Okay, you ready? So let's just say for a second that a second triangle did exist. Let's draw it out. Okay, again, bad drawing. But if that was the triangle we drew there then, would you then, if you didn't figure this out already, figure out this angle here. Let's call it alpha. Do that right now. Okay, so if you did that, you probably said, okay, well, 180 degrees minus 52 is 138, or 28, sorry. And then minus, 142. What the heck? Okay, there's not enough angles to go around. It doesn't work. All right, so there's only 180 degrees in a triangle, and then we found that second angle with the right sine ratio, it's too big. So that triangle doesn't exist. This is an example where this line here is too long and it does not connect with this point at all. Okay, or that line there. So that one does not exist. So this is an example where there's only one possible triangle. Those are really good. All right. And then let's look at one where there is no solution just for the heck of it. Okay, so why don't you just take that information there, pause the video, and draw out your triangle. Okay, and then go ahead and try and solve for theta. Okay, there's your ratio, and do some cross multiplying and simplifying. And you get that, so you hit inverse sine of that number, and you get a small nuclear explosion because it doesn't work, and your calculator just created a tiny black hole, and you probably killed some minute civilization somewhere. Way to go. Anyways, it doesn't work because there's no such thing as a sine ratio that is greater than 1 or less than 0. So this doesn't work. In other words, if you try to solve these problems the same way every time, you're either going to get no solution, like we did here, 0 solution, no solution there, okay? Or you're going to get 1, which is really obvious, because if you try to find 2, it's either going to work or it's not. So there's no real craziness about it. You just solve them the same way every time. Look for the ambiguous case. If it's there and it works, it's there. If it's not there, then it's not there. That's it. That's all you got to do. So look at this next example. We'll do this one together, and I'll have you do one for homework.